You can transform your smile and boost your gum health in just a few days with this simple routine. Did you know that nearly 75% of adults have some form of gum disease? That's a staggering number, but what if I told you that you could boost your gum health and achieve that perfect smile in just a few days? Stick around because I'm about to share some incredible tips that can transform your smile. Today we're diving into the world of gum health. You might not think about your gums too often, but they play a huge role in your overall oral health and that dazzling smile we all want. So, let's set the stage for some easy, effective solutions that will help you improve your gum health in no time. So, what's the deal with gum health? Many of us struggle with issues like receding gums, gum inflammation, or even bleeding when we brush. These problems can come from a variety of factors, including poor oral hygiene, a bad diet, or even genetics. And let's be honest, we all want whiter teeth and healthier gums, but who has time to wait months to see results? It can be super frustrating, right? The desire for that perfect smile can feel out of reach. But don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle these challenges head-on and find some quick solutions to get you smiling brighter. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth, to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.